Yeah, there are several stories of success during this COVID time. So there were some products which were really released this time. I would probably call them as COVID-born products.
Yes.
Okay, so let me take three products which are really, very exciting for us in the future journey also. So the one is we have been working on the low-code development platform for QMS, so that they could completely, look at streamline all the processes and then make that as a beautiful platform for us to build the entire product. So that was completely stabilized, and then that's going to be released. I think released now. So for testing, so that's available, and based particularly that product, you can build a lot of process easily, deliver it easily, maintenance is lesser, and then quickly develop any process if a customer wants it. So those are the things what we can do with a low-code platform. So the QMS 500 or 5.00 will be released soon on that. And then second I would take is, we also wanted to promote our technology to the next level. So we opted for .NET Core from .NET ASP.NET. So we chose a product a document management system, which is already well established, to promote that into next technology, which is .NET Core. So we migrated entire product, and it has come up very well. So one of the very important things is the performance, and then the accessibility are much higher, much better compared to the earlier versions. And the look and feel, we have actually made it as contemporary, so that looks better. And this would be, we can directly host them on cloud, so offer them as a service-oriented service platform. So that's another big thing in that. And the third one is we came out with a tool for instrument integration into our LIMS. So generally, instrument integration is a very critical job, and then sometimes very complex. So this tool which our team has built actually enables the customer to do it, do the entire integration themselves. So it's like we call it as an intelligence-enabled tool. So where customer can look at what are the information they want to capture onto the system, they can do it quickly, and it's like 1, 2, 3, we can complete it. So earlier it used to take about 5 days time to complete a complex instrument. This would now come down to about 2 hours or 3 hours time. So that's an amazing time saving. More than that, we are giving entire ability of connecting the instruments to the customer's hand. So that's very. Yeah. So these are the three, but there are many more. In fact, our GST done some service packs. They could release it. They could harmonize a lot of projects, and then there are several such stories. I can go on and on. Yeah, I'm sure Pani will have many also.
Yeah. So Funny, please add on this.
Yeah, so the products that Shekhar was just speaking on, so they have a lot actually to offer. So it is a complete a different look and feel. We have it's a different look and feel altogether, and they have more capabilities. They are browser independent now. They can run on multiple devices. So all these things put together, you can definitely see a completely different picture of a product that is coming out. Most importantly, what is happening is we have laid a different platform now, which will help these products be taken into a future generation need. So that is the most important thing. Now, this technology upgrade that we have done really helps us to adopt a lot of things that are required for the future. So all things like IDFS integrations, and as I said, browser independency, and one very big thing is the analytical capability that we are trying to build. So that is going to be really robust, because I think there's a different complete architecture itself has been changed, and it has been really pulled out and worked towards that analytical capability building. So that is one big thing we are going to get.
So now I would like to know from Funny, what are the best elements of our new version?
Well, I think the first and the foremost would be the technology itself. So when you see the technology upgrade that has been done, this facilitates so much actually. So I think with this technology change, we are really looking at very simple solutions, or solutions that can be really quickly delivered to the client. So now we have a lot of want of cloud solutions. We have browser independent solutions, multi-device solutions, multi-language solutions. So all such things are really required in now. So the products that we are actually coming out now has or have already been upgraded to that technology now, and it's just a matter of rolling out these smaller aspects into the product, including the analytical capability I was saying. So these are all packed into these products now that are coming out, and it's really going to be a lot different from what they were earlier.
Yes.
So
Okay.
these would be real game changers, I feel.
Yeah, very rightly said. With the technology, all these products have got enhanced security, enhanced capability of hosting it anywhere. They want to host within their networks or in their private clouds or public clouds. They can very safely and then easily host them. So working from anywhere really becomes a reality for them, and the data is also very secure, which normally pharma is very concerned about. So that's very the technology gives that possibilities of making it a very robust in terms of security.
Yeah. So Shekhar, I would like to know, do you think is there any main or any striking difference between the older version and the newer version? Do you find any difference between them?
As Pani said, the technology is a major game changer, and functionally we have been all our products have been very rich functionally. So now the technology also added to that one. So apart from that, now we are going to have better features built quickly because of technology that we are going to do. And even as I said a little while ago, we are trying to give more freedom to the customer to do whatever they wanted. So that actually gives them a freedom from us to be there physically. So we don't have to be physically available there, so they can do it on themselves. So whenever they want it, however they want it, like there would be a lot of wizards available for the customer to do it. So those are going to be extremely good benefits for the customer, particularly the end user, with your new products or new versions.
So Pani, again, I would like to redirect the same question to you. Do you think there is any striking difference between our older version and newer version?
The main striking difference again would be on the ease of usage and the interface with which the user will be actually looking into the products. It is radically different, and keeping to the contemporariness that is required at this point of time. There are simple navigations, there are simple accessibilities. There is a lot we are trying to get to the end user himself or herself. Actually, they should be able to do the transactions, not only the transactions, even the lesser understanding, knowledge, etc. Also, we are trying to bring it to the client himself. So I think that would be a very different level we will be getting into this particular series.
Okay.
And one more actually very good point to add is Caliber has been pioneers in integrated quality management.
Yes.
So when we say integrated quality management, it is like department-wise department or application to application. How do they interact seamlessly? So that's one of the very big concerns for any company which is automating, say, quality control, quality assurance, or manufacturing. So still they are like islands. So now with integrated quality management, which we call it as IQM, so with IQM, they can seamlessly transact or interact with other applications from department to department. So for example, in quality control, if there is a out of specification observed, so it would directly trigger it into quality assurance management system. And they can look at that and then take a remedial action on that one. If somebody has to be trained, so that would trigger into a training management system and that person can be trained. So finally, the training is is imparted to the person. So that is closed, and then that closes the deviation. The deviation is closed. The sample is released. So all these things seamlessly happen. That's going to be one of the very big benefits of this technology. So though there were this IQM was there with us for quite some time, but with the new technology, it becomes much more easier, and you can build scenarios easily, and it becomes very seamless. And you can put all of them on cloud and then interact with them.
Okay, that's really wonderful.
Yeah, that
So I
becomes
can
fully paperless.
Yeah.